Hi there, it's the Frugal Snow Gardener. Now today, I have a solution for a potential problem. You may be living in a situation where you have a very tiny kitchen, and you may even only have a microwave and a cooler or a little refrigerator. So you're trying to figure out other ways to make hot food. Well, your solution can be no farther than some heavy-duty aluminum foil and a steam iron. With that, you can make yourself some grilled cheese sandwiches. Very simple. You're going to get, again, heavy-duty aluminum foil. You're going to make your sandwich. You're going to wrap that sandwich in several layers of that aluminum foil. Then you're going to wrap that in several layers of paper towels. And you're going to get your iron nice and hot, and you're going to just press the sandwich with your iron until you kind of peek in every once in a while, and as soon as it's all nice and melty, there you go. You've got yourself a grilled cheese sandwich. And if you've got that microwave, you can make yourself tomato soup, and you've got yourself a hot meal. So there's another idea for you. Meanwhile, no matter how hard things may be right now, if we stick together, we're going to make it. If we can cooperate, we can make it. And I want you to know I believe in you. So you go out there, have a great day, and happy savings.